Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Landrum HR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Landrum.com and press enter. You will be taken to the official website of Landrum. And over here, you can see the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button, and then choose your appropriate login portal. After you choose your appropriate login portal, you will be allowed to enter your login credentials. Over here, enter your email address of your account and enter your password in the password box like this. Once you do that, click on the login button. You will be logged into your account on Landrum HR. And in case if you guys forgot your password, you can click here how to change your webmail password. So that's how you can log into your account. That's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest videos and a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.